If you're looking to start your own recruiting and staffing agency while still maintaining your 9 to 5 job, I'm going to show you a very simple system that you can use as soon as today to get new recruiting clients every month. And the best part about it, you don't need any experience. The applicant tracking system in CRM that we've customized for Recruitemy is powered by High Level. And what we've created for our members, and this is all for free, guys, is you can come in here and access our sites feature, which gives you landing page, website templates, and funnels that you can literally copy and use for your recruiting business. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and show you the Recruitemy landing page template. I use this in my third nurture step when prospecting for new recruiting clients. And this page really speaks to hiring managers, letting them know that when they hire a recruiter for free under contingency, they're really wasting their time and money. And here's why. Most of the time, you're just a number on their whiteboard. You're not their priority. And then you'll be able to literally copy the video that I do and use it for your own recruiting niche. And from there, your targeted hiring managers will be able to book a call with you to discover more about how your process works, how you're different than free contingency recruiters. And you'll be able to collect a payment upfront, which will prevent clients from ghosting you and save you a ton of stress and headaches. Comment yes below, and I'll give you a free trial to this applicant tracking system where you can use this landing page.